Code Coach. Big thing with residential units is smoke detectors, carbon detectors. So I want you to note here something very important. Right there, you got your carbon detector placed outside the bedroom. I want you to see the green light, okay? That's important. I want you to note here, you have a detector, smoke detector inside of a bedroom, got a green light. What you note here, this detector, no light. So that's something to be looking for, is that they're powered and they're interconnected. Okay, so that one either has a bad battery or it's not connected hardwired. Code says it shall be hardwired whenever possible. Another thing is when you're checking your schedule, see right here, you gotta have the schedule. You have to mark all and identify all circuits. Doesn't say it have to be a dedicated circuit, but it does have to be marked. And if you were to cut that circuit, 14, should theoretically cut the light. So that's a good way to check that it is identified properly. And you see here, the light's still on. So it's not labeled properly. So number one, make sure that they're wired in properly. Number two, make sure your circuits are identified properly.